Butch and Steph said they could.
Big Luds BBQ, full Hog Luau for the birthday boy. Right there's Greg, 60th birthday. Feeding the mob. We're happy to do your luau anytime.
So here's the thing. I had this conversation.
There you go. Yeah, there you go. Say something good.
Greg, we love you.
There you
Happy
go.
birthday. Come on, Sean.
Perfect.
We love you.
Birthday.
She kind of got it.
It's not him.
That's all the food. Cucumbers,
It's so good.
mac salad, fruit, Hawaiian baked beans with mangoes and pineapple in it, coconut rice, there's the sweet pig rolls, happy people eating, more happy people eating, my hot wife, yeah, Tiffany, there you go, Big Luds BBQ. You want a luau? We'll make it happen. 435-773-7180. Big Luds.